a meeting of people or devices? It's time for a change to an easier and more collaborative way for daily work with the Dahua Hub. Let ideas burst from the tip of your pen. Dahua Hub provides smooth writing experience, allows simultaneous multi-points writing, and supports handwriting recognition. Its 4K display presents super clear contents. You can explore a boundaryless canvas with more collaboration tools. Start a quick discussion wherever you prefer. Multiple file types, either presentation or video, can be shared easily. Gesture control allows operation from anywhere in the meeting room. Even colleagues who are located far from the office can meet at the same time. The built-in 4K camera and 8-microphone array provide a lifelike face-to-face video and audio communication experience. Powerful AI features, such as voice tracking and auto-framing, better fit different video conferencing scenarios. Voice tracking intelligently recognizes and centralizes the speaker. Screen sharing is as easy as a simple click with wireless projection. Multiple devices, including laptops, mobile phones, and tablets, can share their screens simultaneously. Up to 9 split screen is supported. To reserve the meeting content, you can save it locally, send it to your colleagues via email, or take it with you by simply scanning a QR code. Inspire active learning in the classroom with Dahua Hub. With switchable Android or Windows system, teachers can easily use familiar teaching tools. Both students on-site or stay home can join the same class. Using various illustration tools, teachers can make the class more comprehensive and understandable. To motivate active learning, students can also interact in real time with teachers through their own electronic devices, writing on the same canvas for exercise, quizzes, games, or presentations. In-class collaboration brings more inspiration. Explore more applications and possibilities with Dahua Hub. From small training rooms to large classrooms, from open office areas to exhibition halls and conference rooms. Now, experience a deeper collaboration and enjoy higher efficiency with the Dahua Hub.